this one ain't as big as I think.
Paul's caught a fish. Come on, the lemon.
Mad, isn't it?
Come on.
Reach up and bosh.
Come on.
These are no games, these fish, mate. You think a carp can pull?
Come on, the lemon.
Oh, God, yeah. Epic.
Epic. It's called a fish,
heavy, dead weight.
Called a fish. Come on, then, Paul.
That's mad. I said I was about to reach out, right? God damn, that's heavy.
Come on, geese.
It'll be even bigger. I'm giving it a bit of drag as well because I don't want to bend the hook.
Extreme.
Drag's playing around and this reel needs to come apart. I've got to watch this anchor. Oh, this is madness, man. These fish go like mad.
Come on then, geese. Get it in.
I'm trying to get the rod in shot and that is just the tip of it. The other part of it's up here.
Fucking fish.
Here it is. That's
Come
down
on
the water, the tip.
You don't know if it's a male or female fish, Paul. You know what you're talking about.
Oh. Is this one bigger?
Come on.
Ruby, keep your eyes peeled. This is a good fish.
Come on.
Oh, my anchor. I'm getting close to it. I can feel it.
Luck. Come on, Paul.
Oh, I might have even taken an anchor out. That is not what we need.
Paul, you just need to get the fucking fish in, geese. Scratching my head
I
now.
can't feel the anchor rope.
No, that anchor, mate.
Maybe definitely spun on it though. But it's another smooth out, I can see it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, hang on.
Come on.
Please don't have the anchor. It's tail wrapped. Might do me a favour.
Come on,
Jump in the
geese.
kayak. Oh my God, this is epic. Guys are like, please don't go buying kayaks, right? Thinking you can just come out and do this crap. Yeah?
Thinks he knows what we've done. He's shut up and get the fish in, geese. Get the fish
and
in.
that's me saying that, you know what I'm saying?
Get the fish in.
Don't piss around, guys.
Yeah.
You can just do this.
Be safe,
I've been
old
fishing
people.
all my
Be
life.
safe.
Right, I've got it.
Come on, geese.
I'll just unhook it and we'll have a look.
Come on, then.
I've got hooks flying around though when it's thrashing, so I've got to be really careful, guys. Bear with. God damn. You don't understand how powerful these things are.
Come on.
Oh,
When I fucking see the cunt, I will, won't I?
they're like the strongest things ever. Oh, they should be called strong hounds, not smooth hounds.
Come on, geese.
Bloody hell. Right, I'm having trouble with this at the moment. It won't stay still for me, guys. And there's hooks flying around.
Is he caught it? Is he caught it? He's
Well,
landed
back
it.
now, they normally calm down a bit.
Come on, geese. Suffocate the fish. Calm it down.
Oh, that's why the hook's that way around. I've got the hook the wrong way around. Let's see what's going on now, guys. Bear with. There we go, hook's out.
He's caught a whopper. He's
This
caught
one's
a
not
whopper.
big. This one's around about 6,
Come
7
on.
pounds. 7 pounds, something like that. Basically a shark
Yes,
with
Paul.
only teeth, guys. Look,
Oh.
there's its dorsal.
Oh.
It's a shark.
Oh, I'll be upset. I'll be upset. Necked her out. Oh,
Shuck,
no.
shuck, shuck, shuck.
No, no.